Shortwave email tutorial, how to use the Shortwave email automation. So from the title itself, this Shortwave right here is an email management and automation tool that is designed to improve how you organize and even respond to emails, especially for Gmail users. So that's the general idea. If you want to go ahead and get started, you can go to your preferred browser and search for Shortwave, where you can open up their website. First of all, you can take a look at their features first. You can learn, you have the channel log, and even pricing. So expectedly, there is a subscription you can get, but there should be a free option as well. But if you want to go ahead and get started, you can go to the sign in option over here and just log in with your email. You're gonna have to allow a few options as well, or a few permissions, in order to be able to use the app. That way they can help you organize whatever is inside your Gmail or what kind of email app you are using. So you'll be able to see your inbox over here directly, and then you have an AI here on the left that can help you with organization. So here you have options to organize your inbox, to find urgent emails, or to even just plan your day. But if you'd like, you can also write your prompt yourself. Now, if you want more features, you can go ahead and upgrade, since expectedly you'd be on the free plan. There's going to be a business feature, premier, and a max option, which of course gives you every feature for individuals as well and for businesses. Now, the one over here will be for the business, and for individual, there's going to be the free option, which you are currently in, and the pro version. So you'll be able to see the features you'll get, like see all the plans and pricing before you get it, so you'll know what you are getting. And then you can start a free trial as well if you want to test it out first. But you can also use Shortwave's automation and productivity features, such as pinning important conversations if you'd like, and snoozing emails to return later, and using keyboard shortcuts to process messages faster. The platform includes the built-in collaboration tools that allow teams to comment on emails internally without sending replies to any kind of recipient. But overall, Shortwave does help automate inbox organization, reduce email clutter, and make managing large volumes on messages much more efficient. So just go ahead and allow permissions so that you can technically just connect your Shortwave to the other email apps. So that's the general idea on how Shortwave works and kind of how to use it. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.